Okay, my alarm just went off at the back channel. I know there's a deer in my yard. Monday morning, there's a deer in my yard. And he's eating my plants. Get the heck out of here. Jeez, these deers are pests. What was he eating? Well, he can eat that. That's just the stuff I pruned off the tree. That's where he was. Sheesh. I got lots of apricots coming here. Wow. Where is he now? He went behind here. Oh, the moon is out. It's early Monday morning. The deer just went over here. Where did it go? I don't know. Why is every car that goes down this road red? Every car that goes down here is red. He lives down there somewhere. I think I've talked to him a few times. Where did that deer go? Well, some flowers are doing good, other flowers aren't doing so good. And a lot of birds are going into my bird feeder. There could be another deer left back here. There was a mama deer and a baby deer here just a few days ago. Oh. Well, I had to capture that. I didn't have enough time to put on my shoes, so. Oh, Sharon did pick up all her apricots. She finally got out of her house. But there's still stuff falling. And she's got a nice pear tree back there. I'd like to get some of those pears. We can trade. But everything's been watered, and we had a thorough downpour yesterday. What a storm that was, with hail and rain. Kind of nice. So I don't have to water today. Her apricots that fall off her tree are a lot bigger than mine, but I have more. Mine are smaller. Chilies are doing good. The squash has really taken off. Look at this vine. And I'll be getting some peas off of there. I don't know what's going on with these tomatoes. We're not getting enough sun here in the backyard. That's why I pulled off 30% of this tree last year when Norman and Lorraine were here. But, ouch! Oh, these rocks are sharp. Yeah, this is just what fell off last night. After that hailstorm last night, there was 40 apricots in the ground I picked up. This is just from this morning. The daisies are almost gone, but the asters are coming up pretty good. I terraced it. And this is totally decimated from the storm last night. So, sun is rising over Mount Peter, Mount Paul this morning. And the birds have knocked all the seed out of my bird feeder down here. So, I was hoping these blue flowers would come back. They were doing well a few weeks ago. I don't know. Everything's been watered. My African violets are coming back, which is a shock to me. But I do know one thing, that petunias always do well here.